Hello, I'm Mrs. Clark. Welcome to our 2020-2021 Honor Roll Assembly. Our first A Honor Roll student is Melissa Diaz. Please wait till the end till we applaud. Yes. Come here. Show. No, come here. Okay, thanks. All right, next we have our AB Honor Roll students. First we have Junior Cruz. Here. Next we have Kaylee Gray. Show yourself. Thank you. Next we have Jackson Martin. And last we have Jonah Washington. All right, let's give it up for our AB Honor Roll people. Next, we have our Citizenship Award. Okay, first up, this is super kids who have citizenship grades 95 and above for each 6 weeks. First up, we have Ryan Cowley. Next, we have Melissa Diaz. Next, we have Kaylee Garvin. Next, we have Kaylee Gray. Christian Jaramillo. Jocelyn Jimenez. She's absent today. Listening Sweat. Sage Valley. She's absent today. And lastly, Jonah Washington. Let's give it up for all our super kids. Okay, this concludes our 2020-2021 awards assembly for the fall semester. Thank you.